Now, to use this coffee machine, you first need to make sure there's enough water in here. There's a filter cartridge on the bottom, and you stick it in there. And then, depending on whether you want just a cup of coffee or a pot, if you want a cup, you just place your cup right there. Go ahead and take out a Keurig cup, pop it in the top right there, press down, and I'll show you what it looks like. You gotta turn it on first. Then you press down, and then you have these two lights here, and one looks like a big coffee pot, and the other one looks like a Keurig pot. So then you press down the Keurig, and then you decide how big of a cup you want. If you choose a small cup, you may want to do 6 or 8, or if you take one of these big cups, you can definitely do the 12. So I need a cup of, not just a cup of coffee, I need a whole pot. So then to make a pot, you open this up. There's an inner liner, and you could put coffee directly into this, but it makes for a really messy cleanup. So we provide these filters. So you fill it up, place it in there, close this, and then you take the big coffee pot, place it in there, and it's flashing again. And depending on how much coffee you put in the filter, you decide how many cups. So I put 6 tablespoons, so I will press 12, and then the center button is blinking, and then you press that and it's good to go. It'll make a pot of coffee, and once it's made, you can remove this, put it to the side because it's insulated, and for the people that drink decaf, they can come get their Keurig and make their cup of coffee while you're enjoying your nice caffeinated beverage.